Good evening to you. Welcome to the show. This is the Upnlive show. We do this each and every Tuesday right here. DJ Radio, you know we are going to drop some song, Dragon and Nine Vibes. You know, I like to look at new something there, look at new song then we are going on the road. Because I like how Jamaica look right now in terms of the music.
Them active?
Yeah, them active right now. And I feel like the local youth that we forward, you know, when name Skeng. I feel like him if you take piece of look at December. You know, that look at December, look at war clash something there.
Yeah.
I always used to see it go on and look.
So who you want to pick pan cause you can't clash with yourself?
Not a true. Cause right now Skilly thing kinda water down away, you know.
You can't pick pan Skilly?
You can't pick pan Skilly, cause it don't make sense, cause he might be more effective than Skilly.
Why you say that?
Because in lyric them is a more street artist.
No, Skilly is a street artist, but the thing is
him sound more effective than Skilly.
The thing is the people Skilly is too predictable. The A B C 1, 2, 3.
Yes sir.
How McDonald had a farm, here, yo.
Yeah.
Jack and Jill went up the hill, but them never catch no water. That's something that so everybody knows Skilly are going with.
Yeah. Yeah.
Brr.
But listen, it was quite refreshing when he forward because he come with a different flair. Obviously, he still have him style, he still have him potency.
Is Skilly bang new song?
I don't really want to hear it because many people are criticizing it, so I can't really go down something there.
Like, I think the artists might take the little badness thing to a next little level. Song nice, can't listen to everything, you know, but in real, if you pre this song, you say, you one of them songs that when I gone away.
Okay.
Yo, I swear you not pass half a tree. No, but you not got tone, you not got Spanish tone or put more, you not go on no bus.
I'm going to listen to you before the show done. I'm going to find it.
Yo, God no.
Because the CM Skeng youth, yeah, even though him lyrics kind of violent, but he have a place for it.
Do you think he might have a longevity in dancehall?
Oh.
Skeng?
No, it might have a change because the music, once dancehall forever will always have like a season for every type of music. And it's so happened that because we are come out of a local conscious period and the wave have changed, so it's a change in a direction. So he will have a little hot part in that part or so. But if he not change the music we are do that type of music, it not gonna last forever. It not gonna last long.
But that was the same thing people say about Intense.
You know, but Intense change.
Like how?
Because
in what we and fashion. Explain to me because me not see it.
No, Intense of doing different type of songs. Like him now do the same young badness alone. Him have other girl songs now where girl them can sing on to and they have look money song.
Him always been doing these type of songs, but Intense song them is always kinda raw, graphic or ranchy.
No, I'm not talking about the style of music. I'm talking about the content of the songs, like culture, that raw.
Him do no culture song?
No, he doesn't do any culture song, but it because his market to me is not really the one job market. Obviously, young people listen to him. So what him do, Intense change him style sometimes, and we give a little girlness. The young people don't love his scammer business. He have that. Young people don't love your badness. He have that as well. For me, with Skeng, Skeng only have a whole heap of badness on the streets, grimy side, where I listen to him and I like say, yeah.
But that's the same way people they portray Intense as first.
But that's what I'm saying. If it doesn't change,
that's why I'm saying Intense didn't change. Like when me notice with Intense, realize people start looking to artistry more and say, yo, it's a really talented artist.
That's what I'm saying.
First thing people say A9, no, him not change. I see him thing.
Personally, his music change.
People start listening to him now and start, all right, just look at Alkaline. You don't come like when a new artist come to the forefront of the music. You know, him get a one song and you say, yeah, I'm all right.
Yeah.
And then him get another one, you start paying more attention. Then when they really start pray in context and pray the lyrics, them way him attack. Yeah. Because I have one of them voice, they have to see song them 2 or 3 times for really hear what I say. And the thing with Intense is, no, he have that little appeal to the younger generation.
Yeah, exactly.
And it's controversial. So, he won't always have a place in dancehall because you have to understand this dancehall thrive off the controversy.
That's true.
So, I don't know if Skeng or jump on the bandwagon and you say, pick a war with somebody because Christmas are forward.
But obviously,
fire some shot in a somebody direction. Show some subliminal.
To be honest, the type of music where I do, that have to go on. And the type of energy where I push, eventually that will go on. Because the way I do the song, it sound like, because he might have the one they talk about, Spain to badness and he must say ratty design gang. it sound like him it sound like him to me is like a gangbanger. Cause remember me don't know him no. Me only hear him sing and say yeah you that's one bad and me say his song a go on a Jamaica and me fall down there. But to me it sound like he have that street rawness. They know when a man bad and I get to and just automatically the world starts seeing because of social media. Him have that connection there to me. So for him to make it mainstream and people to accept him and his song to start play upon radio official and get endorsed by the radio station, then when need to endorse him if he reach nowhere, he might have to go do some other song. Some little girl song, or one little jiggle body be sitting there.
So hold on, Rick. The song where him do, right?
Yeah.
Where the police them there do the whole part video them for seeing.
Then when you just play
government shift. That song there, right?
Yeah.
So you don't think you have a space in a society feature, in a the corporate and everything like you don't know the police them dep on the work and you feel tormented, you know. You have a big matic on your waist, you know, you're dep on the government shift because he actually attack sense in the song, you know. He just not lone badness in, he have substance, you know, because we all know as so Jamaica go.
Miss Jordan, there is a skank soon send for somebody.
Alright, here one now. Let me play the song, make you listen a little bit tight, because that song, you have a little bit of substance.
Me, you go. People, if you're listening, listen and tell me if you're making any sense, yeah? Talk truth.
Intellectual murder people edition. Cock fire full of gun like Remington. Fully charge up, eager fi kill a man. Ratty gang fi me gang, pussy run up if you're bad. Kryptonite coming out of the most fighting at the middle of the night to make the place get noisy. You never know, say a little juvenile coulda run in your yard and take a cheap and say Babylon, Panellian in the street and the main and the buck, my Lord Jesus Christ. No make him run, no make him out, no make him slip, even an inch more. Yeah, dash when nobody can find this me. You must be sick. And a 17, I jump in at this 45 feet, me caught it, now miss. Me finger move swift, me gun them now stick. Covey, them sick.
Stop it, Jagan. Alright, people, somebody's commented said the song makes you afraid. I would this Lats Zanisha, I hope me not call the name right.
Government bad this man and Joel, they say you know what thing.
This song make me afraid. Listen, let me tell you what the song did to me. Because to me, this song sound like it's a real story him tell. It doesn't even sound like a song. It sound like him a talk about one, you know, you had some man on the ends, two community a war, and it's like it's a this song for one next side. Cause him a talk about him man, first thing him man say, you know.
Ratty gang.
Ratty gang. Me don't know who's Ratty gang, but obviously Ratty sound like a one gang in a community.
Yeah.
And then
probably a female link to them, you know, yeah.
Yeah, but the way the man do the song, the man make it sound serious. Cause right now I have him as a bad man and I don't know him. I'm gonna want to nerd you, you know. But me just have him as a gangster to what the song say. Remember see the book the sound to the song.
Yo.
Song bad.
The song bad and me like him attack things because you know.
Yeah.
Most of these songs is not them don't write it off them imagination.
Listen, it's
about what you see in your environment, exactly. where you are around.
Exactly.
Where you are susceptible to. Or whatever you want to see the people I drink. Yeah. Whatever you see around you hit your sing about because remember enough nobody in my nation a while so because them attack something and they are explaining it and them describe it.
That's why
very detailed.
But that's why the song is so scary to me because the way Emma describe it sounds like first-hand experience. Whether nothing is more vivid than when somebody experiences it and can tell about it, rather than a man who sit down in an office and speculate. Speculation is a hell of a thing. You can't say, oh, that not sound too right. But when a man actually attacks certain way and he sounds so convincing, a man sound like say in the panel lane and just sit down and say, yo, them boy you can run in, you know. Yo, me go over studio. Come in, me go over there, go sing a song. At some me feel a song the forward, you know.
Alright now. I don't know if you hear about this. You hear what you say, some of the police them in the JCF.
Yeah. That's Jamaica Constable.
Yeah. Them and the bad man them and the young youth them. Them are link arms in arms.
But that's
so in terms of like for facilitate forget the new machine them.
Yeah.
And the whole chapter line thing for make sure so everything runs nice and smooth because remember you know this whole chapter line thing it started from the west side of the island.
Yeah, west side, yeah.
Seeing?
Mobile.
So it take time migrated to where they call central of the island. That has
Kingston.
No, the central middle. That would be like Orchard, Senton, Discovery Bay, like Falmouth. Then it never got Clarendon yet. Then it take time trickle off, go St. Mary and go Clarendon, then Spanish Town take it up. Then you have people that scam at Portmore and things up. When the scamming money forward in, yes, a man starts say, yo, remember one night time we have to go broke to store and go thief something and sitting for buy 2K. Now them a chapel line, them can make one $500,000 for a week. See you see you go? When you make $500,000 every week, and you do like so boomson. One whole month you have party, you know the party thing go. You do out the road and you brawl and you drink, boy, you this you. So first thing you do, you want some machine for guy to protect your dad.
But this is why
protect your head back, you know what thing goes up.
Because
I just saw you go, you know.
Because when scamming start, it was all fun. Because you remember the first time when scamming really just start, when my boy from watching the first song, man, big money popping everywhere. Yeah. Them days was the starting of scamming. Scamming did nice to everybody, but here what happened?
Scamming did start a long time.
No, it was
start.
Yeah,
but that time it get commercialized.
It get commercialized, but everybody was making money. But when the money start, no, here's a problem coming now. Too much money, then when you see, anyway, you have too much money, you got a problem because people are going to feel like it's not share right. A man going to split off. And when man split off, a man going to feel like, say, oh, that boy, you know, so I have enough money now. So here what going to happen now. I need to protect myself. And I see me the next man, I think. So everybody decides
it's all about doing volcanic. All right, just like when you see dancehall party go on over here, right? You see when some man come into the party and say, yo, them a done, them a money man.
Yeah.
When them in the party, you see what them go on with. You have every money a man bounce a certain way and man I go on like them want style you. So you know you say, you know me not like that pussy there, you know. Boy they go like say, I would have boy them man, you know, look, you're dying for your bounce by you for tell them suck your mother.
But
you know what so you go. And man buy up the ammunition because you don't know.
So alright, so
record it done and you can buy 10 cases of NSC. So you what go on now. Your friend a link 5 of him friend them. Cause every man a say you might protect the done. But, you know where it's go.
But get back to the point because see him so you say that means that the song will always this artist will always have a place in the music. Yes. Skeng and what you want name.
The government will curtail it, man. Don't feel no way.
Exactly. So this is why for you as an artist, you have to have some form of I'm not really judging him because him just forward and him just do song and him just a hit. So we'll watch him and see what I'll go on for him and see if him will go last. Because a whole of them did rise up and I want to hear nothing about them after. A whole of artists because cool long, boil long, simmer down, anything you want to call it. And we're not hear nothing about them right now. So we just go watch him. So we're not really too...
Say for longevity night, like, is a few of them I watch, even the youth named Franco Wild side. Like, you have a few little artists we have found out when we say, yo, have a lot of talent. So I'm very interested in what's gonna happen for the Christmas to January.
So
because I whole heap of artists have found out. No, I realize say yo, they're not backed by no big producer and a big record label anymore.
But the problem is they're not being backed by big labels. The problem is that their marketing skill is very lacking, and they need I should say more people like who know it supposed to start help some of these artists like the Ramesh them. Cause for instance, this is why I wonder why I go on for Ramesh, you know, because he had Shensia, which was a very like in prime project where I work on. Obviously, him bring her to where him can't really help her no more. Him bring her to the pinnacle where him can't go, and then others take on the button and help her now. What I am disappointed with Ramesh is because he's put so much interest into Shensia's career, which is not wrong, but then the others around him suffering, and then he's not trying to bring the next thing. Obviously, Ding Dong pretty much can do him thing by himself, and Ding Dong has no disrespect to Ding Dong, but for me, Ding Dong can only go to a certain level for me as an artist, as a person who listen. As an artist with Ding Dong now go reach the potential where a TJ, because Ding Dong is not much of a great of a writer like a TJ can write.
You know, I disagree with you.
I know you can disagree, but let me finish. Because the songs that Ding Dong do, they're quite happy songs, yes. But me not get no deep med songs from Ding. Me not get no different changes. Most of Ding Dong songs are similar to me. And mostly party songs.
Yeah.
And happy songs. I not get a different vibe. It's like how I will listen to TJ and TJ will tell about little girl this and little rare, little story, little imaginations. Ding Dong do have him try with the one where he says stray. But to me, when I get that vibe there from, I feel like Ding Dong can reach the level or a potential where a Shensia go reach. Honestly. And because, for one, Shensia has obviously looks and extra this and that. She have talent, she can sing. Not taking anything from Ding Dong, but me just don't feel like him not going to reach it. So. What do you say about that?
First, let me just start on the Ding Dong part. But disagree with what you say because in terms of Ding Dong talent and what he's doing and the type of music him sing, me and you both see Elephant Man do it at that level, same kind of style and go to the pinnacle.
True.
Right? And because of bad decision and bad choices, make him at a little position now. But yeah, there's space for it because remember, you know, the world is changing and like we're going through some things right now in the world. So the world will always have room for happy music.
That
because
is true.
at the end of the day, look on people like Bruno Mars and Drake. If you want look at feel good music, you're more likely to listen to Bruno Mars. You don't look at dance feel good music.
Yeah.
If you want all the meds and listen to what somebody say, you don't more listen to a Drake. So it's different stroke for different folks. And in terms of Shensi and the whole Ramesh thing, well, I'm very skeptic about the move we should make in terms of the international scene because obviously we see a lot of people flirt with that scene and end up fall straight on them face. So to me, it's kind of scary in a sense for her because she come out with this song when you run, and you see it's a bag of money pumped behind it. And a fuckery. That song a fuckery, brother. And I see him like when Movado did go to Miami and that link with DJ Khaled and Ace with them and some bag and Rick Ross and the whole of them. I when Rick Ross hot when I think up, remember them time there. Yeah. And about 30 song. 30 fucker song. Yeah. So that's why I tell you, see, when you change and go into the international game, and you see them do like a boomson. Because you see what I'm to Shensia now, what all of them have use a fuck up themselves, them not try to be themselves. The whole of them start rap and start twang and want to sound like Rihanna and no Shensia again. Remember, me better run. That no sound like Rihanna blood clot. What song name? 1, 2, what name? The Rihanna song. When it just come out.
Shut the man down. That one day.
It sound like, that's why I tell you, say, yo,
Rasta is here,
them
people.
sticking at them lane.
Yeah.
So my time in a dog.
More agree with you, that's of it true.
So my time, you're lane way in a. So my time, you're lane way in a dog. The road over there rough, some pothole in the road. You see me? Some whole of a thing, the road want pave. Drive slow in your lane, man, until the road smooth off. You can speed up a little bit. Because right now, Shensia in a one little place. Because remember, you know, she don't really have no presence in the dancer scene anymore at the moment. So the market is very open. Because you see now Jada Kingdom and Stark Ashley, you see how much them grow, how much the people them susceptible more to their music because Shensia that all that space. Yeah, but and because she jump over you so and pay attention to you so Jada them fouled up and them are hot thing now.
Yeah, but isn't that the idea though? Isn't that the idea?
To grow?
To grow from it.
Hold on, Rick. That's the branch off part. But here we know. Remember, if me build one house, I may have a house, I still have to make sure that the house of me living in work in order.
That's true. But how can
So you saying in essence you're saying that she has forgotten her roots? Or it looks as if she has strayed from where she's coming from.
What I try to say, she put all her eggs in one basket.
Okay.
That look like to me. I might be wrong.
In my opinion, good evening everybody. Sorry for being late. In my opinion, it looks as if things have changed for her in terms of it's not dancehall anymore. You rightly say she gone up on one different level, and I don't think it suits her or how she's doing it. It really doesn't suit her. I not really like it.
I'm the mad one when them say a genius, cause do you look sitting there? Remember, you know, fuck with that too, you know.
Which mad one? Which one?
The mad one, man.
Who?
The Kanye man and the genius.
That was
the mad one, that brother.
Yeah, she has a verse or she does the hook or something.
And I fuck with that too.
Yeah, but alright. Barring the Kanye song, I think it was a good move for she.
Yeah, because it's branching off. It's all a part of the whole branching off process.
Let me show you this now.
For some reason, it sounds different.
You see these people in hip hop music. Let me tell you, man. these Jamaican, me telling a Jamaican, when you need to
Catch
start,
cold as soon as
when
them
you start all on the ground. Because when you realize that, you know, that's what hip hop do in America.
Yeah.
Anytime they want something new or something, them come at Jamaica
Mm-hmm.
and doing something. See, all right, watch you now.
Me not go style Kanye because Zingira forward.
Let me go in a line of history, give you forward.
What do you mean if she get forward?
Let me give a history lesson. Let me go from back in the days come up. Me not even go too old, right? Let me start back from Movado, right? Remember when Drake did that and him look up, him get a big forward and him link with Movado. Yeah. And him that flirt around the little dancehall thing.
Yeah.
That's a boom song give Movado a piece of money scene. Fit build one little line. Remember, you know, and him a get little style and little flow from them scene. That fuck up, that link they fuck up. Him do like a boom now. And say popcorn, he buy popcorn one range. Buy man things like Batty man, you know. Yeah, do like so, forget some little thing and influence and dance.
I disagree. I don't disagree.
Them a drain dance all along that. Alright, watch out.
No, but
you see the big song. Remember we have this thing when them that do the blood class sample. And you know why them that do the sample? If we don't do the research, big man, you see when you pay for sample.
You have not pay no much.
It's a one payoff.
And then it belongs to you.
And then it belongs to you. You see when you pay for somebody verse, them have rights in a song
continuously.
Right through them life.
Yeah.
So them smart and the dancehall man, them say, you see when them man say, oh, a big artist I'm one, make your song stay away the dog.
So wouldn't you feel like it's a growth because they used to sample it?
Growth
no, explain. Because you used to sample it and now you actually get a verse in the song.
Who get verse?
You know, say Shensi I get verse in a Kanye.
You know one fucker song.
It doesn't matter if I fuck you or what.
Publicity is publicity,
you know
good or bad.
Song.
Yeah, but all right. So this is the thing when me get out of it, when me think is the good thing out of it. She get a chance, I get an opportunity to do what next for her. So it doesn't matter if the song what she do with Kanye sounds good or not. It's what you do after.
Yeah, that's true. It's how you you move from that.
How me look on life, cause me look on life the smart way, right? Seeing she a link with Russia and them. She have a pretty face already. Remember Latino market is big. It's a rascal market.
And she
why
does
don't
speak
you
a
jump
little
in
bit
that?
of Spanish.
No, I know about speaker. She can sing. You can you can learn little
well,
rhythm.
Yeah. I'm saying she's
jump
done
in
it in
that
a couple
market
of her songs.
and the likes of boom. So cause you're going there as the big thing because remember you know that genre was built off a dancehall. So you don't go in that as a hard hitter. Building that is that their market, the bigger hip hop market in the dog.
That's true.
It's a bigger market, you know. And people don't understand them things some of the time when you now make some bad decision as an artist. Because you want this hype and fast life and this New York and Cali and Florida.
But maybe I'm not sure because if you realize most of the decision will start make for Shensia right now, I think is the new management pushing this narrative.
It's their obviously they're trying to change the directive that what's his name Ramesh was taking initially because they're thinking about growth and development changes on another level kind of vibe. But I'm very very curious and intrigued, is that the right word, to see where her career will go after this because. Go ahead. No,
it's the same thing. I'm
I'm waiting to see in which direction her career will go.
Because she's very talented.
She has, we know that hands down. She has potential. She knows for the right thing, dog.
So whole of talented artists. A blood clot their market sell mango.
Yeah,
which is
true.
right. So
big
people,
true.
If it's just joining us, big up to everybody on the Facebook, big up to everybody on the Instagram right now. We have a special guest going to be in the studio with us. So we haven't even tell you who's going to be here. So if you've seen the flyers, you probably know about it. If you haven't, you just join us for the first time. DJ
Styler is in the building.
Yes.
You don't know. But quickly before we go, may I have one topic for talk about?
Yeah, one go up on a weekly ritual, you know, cause you know.
Which weekly ritual?
Bro, God beaten, man.
Lord God.
Every week
you
know.
Can we leave him this week, please? Please, may I beg you?
Hold on there.
We can we give you 30 seconds? Literally 30
beat
seconds.
Him, Jagger. Go on.
Started now.
Weekly.
Hurry up, because we don't have much time.
Beat
Bro,
him
God
fast.
and dirty labor right them.
What happened this time?
You see them a mash up Jamaica.
How?
You know see.
We're asking you to tell the people.
You're not on a phone.
Sir, just answer the question, please.
Alright, so basically the man, what name? What the Floss?
Floyd Green and Andrew and all of them.
Remember the man, man not really lose him job and then change him post.
Yeah. He quote unquote resigned, but then.
So here one Rick.
Yeah.
Same usual be DJ. And then I say, no man, about a DJ no more.
Come be box boy.
And no box boy. You be engineer.
You be engineer now.
You get a bigger post. Here you come though. Set up a sound and turn it on and you response for everybody now. So you basically get a bigger position.
Yeah.
So you can do any fuckery and get promoted. Remember, you know, we see man at Jamaica so pussy in him work clothes and come back at work.
Yeah, get couple months leave.
And government vehicle. You get couple months paid leave and come back. So you tell me now, what go on in a Jamaica?
Something wrong in the system.
Something there, water down there. What really go on?
Alright, so you have wanted to fix this, right? So this is the problem we have as Jamaica in the society. The problem I see is mostly is election time where we are being brainwashed and the people not really looking at the manifestos what these politicians are putting towards them. The politicians are so smart, so whenever it comes to like campaign time,
they know the various tactics to use.
They know we like loud music, we like food.
Yeah, we like money.
We're not even paying attention to what they're saying into these rallies. So most of these rallies, yes, it's big enough for them. The politician know what to say to make the crowd going.
And give them the materialistic
stuff.
Exactly.
Me have a next thing for talk
2
quickly.
seconds.
Hold on there now. So when I see your bro God a run for inoculate of the whole of Jamaica vaccine. So recently in a week, a brother vaccinate from Jamaica, right? For come a UK for some funeral business.
Yeah.
And them look on him and tell him say, you know, when I recognize no vaccine we take down at Jamaica.
True.
Exactly.
So
True.
What kind of fucker is that? Jamaica make vaccine? So bro God, why you vaccinate the people for? If you can't even go foreign with it. Because them say, when I recognize that a blood clot, a water and I get down there.
True.
What really are going on now?
Same AstraZeneca, same Pfizer, same Johnson & Johnson.
Me I wonder if some vaccine down there so down at town.
They
wonder if you have some knockoff one.
150.
Well, them come out and say the system of UK no
it doesn't recognize and it doesn't recognize it, which is really it's foolishness because it's the same vaccine.
That's why I'm telling you this vaccination is just about control over people and their life. Because remember, you know, dog, if a man can dictate to you and tell you, say, boy, Rick, if you not take a vaccine, you know, you can't company bus, you can't come and work, you can't
do nothing.
So you're basically forcing people, because them have a law down there. Most of the hotel them, guess what them do? Guess what them do? Them say it's not mandatory, but guess what?
You can't come out.
No, you have to pay for a PCR test every week, on the week. I remember I $8,000 for one, you know. You pay for one PCR test for $8,000 when you get about 12. So you tell me now.
Yeah.
So things like this, the government needs to work on and sort out, because why do you ask like you tell you say, oh, it's not mandatory in a dragon, but you don't know, you have to take one every week.
So this is why. So this is the problem you go back to. The only thing you can change things, you have to change with the policies of the people, the government. And obviously, the Jamaica Labour Party has proven themselves incapable of
they've lost it.
Yeah, they've lost it.
From long time, they've lost it. Unfortunately, they've lost it.
The last touch of the fun.
Light bill raise, everything go up.
But this
food price gone up.
No.
Thing no go
and but that's happening all over still.
No, but you see the light bill. The light bill. Jamaica has no control over what is it, because if we don't understand that JPS.
Unfortunately, because we sell off everything to people, we don't own anything.
Yeah, but we understand. Say global gas price gone.
Everything has gone up, right?
It does, because the company that owns it is a company called APC from Japan.
Right.
They actually own it, linked with so they're so clever. They've linked it with a Caribbean, so another Caribbean island, and them own it, but the company own 80% of JPS basically. So remember, these people are business never running.
Yeah.
So them going out for business. So they don't business if you over there so can't afford
suffer
it.
and can't pay for it.
They don't care because they invest their money and they want about their money.
20 seconds on this,
you have to understand this. So when them do it, so them evade a lot of tax because you have loophole in every system. When they set up a company like it's an international corporation, that means that the standard tax that the land don't apply for you, just like with Amazon.
Yeah.
Because you know, like how me pay 20% of tax.
Amazon not pay that because they're not registered
2
here.
point something. And them make what? 13 billion something last year.
Yeah.
If you pay 2 points, that's a 300 something million. Out of 13 billion in a dog.
No, but there's alright. You see, you can't even cost people, you know. You can't even cost Amazon.
So you do the maths.
Because Amazon are clever. They're using the system. So it's just
same like Starbucks, all of them. Like Look like me I've got to sit up myself like, remember me I'm not English, you know, me a Jamaican, so why me
You
have
better
to
keep in mind them send for you. Yeah. I can see it.
Further on in the news.
See, just at the time it's going to 7 minutes past 10 here.
Yeah,
Yeah.
just one topic. You both are fathers. You
Yeah.
both have children, and I'm sure if anybody or
Yeah.
anything happens to them,
Yeah.
you're going to take a stance. I don't know how many of us have seen the post that was. So first, I saw it on Richie Fielding's page, and then I saw it being popped up on everybody else's page. Right. Just going to quickly read the caption. The name of the guy is Jamal _cryptic_clique, and his post said, "Being a father, I have to speak publicly about this situation. I'm taking legal action now. The mother of my child," he named her name, whom I have a 3-year-old son with, and the son's name is Jamari Cameron. This incident took place yesterday. That would have been, today's Wednesday, today's
So
Tuesday.
about Sunday.
Saturday, Sunday, thereabout. At Bogwalk, St. Catherine, where my baby mother lives with her boyfriend. Yesterday, she called me on another person's phone, crying, explaining that her man laid his hand on my child, and it was so bad to the point where he was bleeding a lot. I'm traumatized. I told her to go to the hospital immediately. After she went to the hospital, she called on her sister's phone. I told her to go to the police station to report the incident, which she did. Upon filing a complaint in Bogwalk Police Station, they instructed her to go to the community where the incident took place. At that other police station, she then filed a report there. I'm living in Kingston at the moment, so there was nothing I could do because I did not know where the mother of my child lived with her boyfriend in Bogwalk. I tried to call her phone, but I could not get a hold of her because the boyfriend smashed her phone in the wall. Today, she called me back. I was so angry. I asked her, "Why did you take so long to respond to me?" She said sorry. She went to the police station and reported the matter to the officer, and they asked her if she wanted to press charges against her boyfriend. And she said no. Then he went on to say, "What kind of female is this? Anyone reading this message, I need help finding this guy that laid his hand on my 3-year-old child and did this to him. There's nothing in this world my little child could do to deserve all of this. This man needs to be in prison for the rest of his life. Also, the baby mother for not pressing charges.
Yeah.
There's no way this situation is in the police hand, and they ask if she wants to press charges. No question should be asked after they saw a little 3-year-old baby's face smashed, badly damaged like he was in a fight with 3 adults.
It was bad.
It was really, really bad.
It was bad. There's a lot of things going on here. A lot of people going wrong there, sir.
Well,
The baby father, big up to him.
For standing out.
Yes.
And showing up for his 3-year-old son. But there's an update after that. But
Yeah.
give your thoughts and feelings on that, please.
big one thing like and these views, what I say, we don't normally pick violent as the first option, but for this case, sadly, we would have picked violent the first option.
Yeah.
We don't know though, because first thing we do is buy one mash it and one file.
Simple.
Because the man would deal with the pitness so, and
It's
people,
not your
we're
child.
not condoning violence, but he want to chop up. He want a community mob him and
Jungle
him get what him
justice.
forget. Because you can't deal with a 3-year-old child like that. And CM procedure go out
For the mother. Why are you putting a
Because
man over your child?
If a mother have a man in her household and they make
That's
him
it.
do that to your child as a mother, and
That's
then
it.
you say you not press charge, what kind you
What
feel
kind
as
of-
already
as a
mother. You
parent.
feel as a mother already.
Yeah.
Simple.
And that is one grounds for me as a father. I would have taken the child from the mother.
Simple. So
That-
so there's an update on that
Yeah.
that forwarded out 22 hours ago. And he says, due to everyone being aware of my situation, I just wanted to give an update of the matter. My son Jamari is safe and in a protected environment with me. The Bogwalk police went looking for the boyfriend that did this to my son, but he was nowhere to be found. I personally pressed charges on the incident of what happened, and they're still looking for him. If you have further information, call the Bogwalk police station. And we are imploring people.
Yeah, to the people who have put up the boy where hide.
We are
We'll make the police catch him,
imploring
'cause wicked man.
people.
But the
If you-
police has, the system has to be blamed as well.
Of course.
Because the system is, the police are going against going towards the guideline. Because the guideline says if the person, the mother or
in
father is
immediate.
not pressing charge, they can't do anything.
Right.
So that is something we need to look into.
No, hold on, Rick. At this part, the mother or father have no legal basis over pressing charge when it come on to a child.
No, because they have legal...
Hold on, Rick.
Go on.
If you as a parent hurt your child, or the police or anybody see, that's where the police and child service step in.
Yeah.
So me know how the law work and how the system work. So the police, me don't know why them ask the mother if he want press charge.
Like,
I know your mother get beat up. If somebody do you something
there.
as an adult,
Yeah.
you have that option to want press charge because that child is under the age of 12
and it has the
and
right.
under the age of 18.
You have the right to be protected.
Them have the right to be protected by
Protected,
the law
hands
and by
down.
the state.
Exactly.
So me don't know what the police them ask say, yo,
Why you?
if the mother want press charge.
Exactly.
It's not down to the mother.
It
The
doesn't make
abuse
any
was
sense.
not done to the
The
mother.
mother.
It was done to a 3-year-old child that does not belong to him.
But that's why they want to ask, because they want to ask
But
the
you shouldn't
parent.
ask, and I think
But
that's the
what
point
I'm
that All
saying.
Star is making.
No, but
You
that's what I'm
shouldn't
saying. They
have to
shouldn't
ask.
ask. But maybe that's why they're
Brother.
asking, because they're saying that the mother or father is parent or guardian for the child. But it doesn't make any sense for that. That's why I'm saying the system is to be blamed.
True. Yeah, I just wanted to point that out. Like,
Yeah.
parents, we have to be
I don't
vigilant.
think I system. I think I police them because I think
Police
the
are part
laws-
of the system.
No. Police ain't part of the system.
But they represent.
They're there to enforce the law.
Yes.
The system is whatever they're written down and say is law.
Yeah, but
Because
they're following the law.
We always have some police we don't know the law and set bad example of the system. So we cannot say police is the system.
They are part of the system.
Not really.
Yes,
Them
they
work
are.
for the system.
Big up some people, understand. Big up the Just Shem and say absolutely they should not be required to press charging. The state has a duty to care
To protect the
to
child.
the child, which makes
Yeah.
sense. Yeah. What Magnum Friday say? Police not do
police
nothing
not
wrong.
do nothing wrong. She should have said yes.
What do you mean by the police not doing it wrong? If a picnic come as a all right, we live in England.
1 more minute on this.
We live in
topic, guys.
England.
Mm.
Make police here picnic look certain way.
Mhm.
Them now
Instant.
go ask you twice.
Instantly.
Instant them
Yeah.
lock you up.
Exactly.
Birds instantly they are prison.
Yeah.
And them now let you out. And when them let you out, the picnic now forward back with you. So Jamaica is the same thing because we have. Remember, Jamaica and English law are not much different,
Got them right.
But-
Right.
But,
exactly.
but some of who law,
Photocopy.
some of who law we just say, fuck the English part, but we take what America take.
Yeah. They mix
So
up,
we
mix
just
up.
mix up. But
Mm.
we have basically some of the common law them is the same.
Right.
Anytime
So
I
me know
hear
that
England and
if you're
Jamaican name call in the same sentence.
It kind of hard. No.
It crawl my skin, man.
Brother. But as I say, I just pray, me I hope and wait for when them catch the brother there because him want a good beating.
Which is right.
Him want a beating.
Yeah, man.
True.
10:15.
Yes, so we're in the studio live here.
Finally, after a long
course.
time.
Yes.
Dragon All Star gonna drop some music. We're going to bring in our special guest, DJ Styler, who's waiting in the wings. Remember, we are your Upnlive show. We're here every Tuesday between 9 and 11, and we are sponsored by Shush Prince.